10 interesting and lesser known facts about free-range chicken. Farming in northeastern Thailand ***. 1. Unique breed adaptations. Indigenous chicken breeds in northeastern Thailand have adapted to the local environment over centuries, making them highly resilient to the region's climate and diseases. 2. Cultural rituals. Chickens play a significant role in local rituals and festivals. They are often used in traditional ceremonies, including those related to harvests and village blessings. 3. Natural incubation. Many farmers rely on natural incubation methods, where hens are allowed to brood and hatch their eggs, without the use of artificial incubators. 4. Herbal remedies. Traditional herbal remedies are commonly used to treat chicken ailments. Farmers often use herbs, like turmeric and neem leaves, to prevent and cure diseases naturally. 5. Multifunctional role. Chickens in northeastern Thailand are not only valued for their meat and eggs, but also for their role in pest control, as they help reduce insect populations in crop fields. 6. Low-cost housing. Chicken coops are typically constructed from locally sourced materials like bamboo, thatch, and recycled wood, keeping costs low and promoting sustainability. 7. Foraging diet. Free-range chickens in this region primarily forage for their food, consuming a diet rich in insects, seeds, and kitchen scraps, which contributes to their unique flavor profile. 8. Social structure. Chickens in free-range systems exhibit complex social behaviors and hierarchies, often seen forming tight-knit groups and establishing pecking orders. 9. Predator deterrence. Farmers use innovative and natural methods to protect their chickens from predators, such as keeping dogs as guardians and using thorny plants to create barriers. 10. Community knowledge sharing. Knowledge about chicken farming practices is often passed down through generations and shared within communities, creating a rich tapestry of local agricultural wisdom.